everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing here of this Xbox wireless headset from Microsoft. And this is going to be used with an Xbox Series X. And the reason I did get this is after doing some research, I figured that this would be probably the most seamless addition to using a gaming headset with the Xbox. And it had pretty good reviews. So I decided to pick it up for the channel here to do this unboxing and initial first look and whatnot with my Xbox. So this does have the Xbox wireless setup here. So that pairs directly with the console using Xbox's wireless communication protocol. So it's not using Bluetooth or anything like that, right? Now it also does support Bluetooth 4.2 if you want to connect mobile devices or a PC or a different device, that you want to connect to this. You can use Bluetooth. The microphone does feature some noise isolation for voice and auto mute as an option, and it does have an adjustable band customizable fit. And this does work with both the Xbox Series X and the S, as well as Xbox One and Windows PCs. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this, open it up, see what you get in the box. So you do have the headset here. There is a quick start guide and some regulatory information. And you do get a USB Type-C cable, USB to USB-C. It's pretty short, so really is only meant for charging. Now, the headset itself just comes in this little bit of a foam cover. There's a piece of foam in between. So it is pretty lightweight. It does adjust, as you can see here. Has a padded bit on the top that goes over your head. The earmuffs or the over-ear pads also very soft. You do have a couple rotatable controls here. This one will balance the game volume and the chat volume, so you can switch that up to mix the chat and the game. And this one is for volume. So you also have a power button here that you can use to turn the device on and off, as well as the microphone. And the microphone is on this kind of swivel cable. And there also is a mute button, I believe, here, so you can mute the mic if you want. You can see there is an LED there. And this is pretty flexible. And then you also have the USB-C charging port here on the side. So that's basically what the headset looks like. Like I said, it's pretty lightweight. And it looks like it'd be pretty comfortable. So what I'm going to do next is go ahead and pair this to the Xbox and test it out and give you my thoughts. So let's hop on over and see how this works. So here I'm just going into the device and connections menu on the Xbox and going over to connect a device. And I want to select that I want to connect an Xbox wireless headset. So you do press that little green power button on the headset and hold it for 4 seconds or so until it starts up and goes into pairing mode. Now, mine only took a few seconds to pair. You can see there's a message that says headset assigned, and then when you go back to this menu, it shows up as a device. So you can go and configure, and there's an equalizer. You can turn the auto mute on and off, the mic light on the boom, the mic monitoring mix, so if you want to hear it a lot in your ears or not. You can also do, if you have this connected to a phone and you want to receive messages or calls when you're in game, it tells it what to do there. This is the equalizer. So you have these settings, basically just part of the device configuration for the accessories. And what I'm going to do now is actually go in and stream some Fortnite and use the microphone to see what it sounds like. Anyway, so what I'm doing here is I'm doing some testing with the Xbox wireless headset on the Xbox Series X. I hope the sound is coming through. I'm not really sure if I did the settings correctly. But, and hopefully there's game audio is not super loud compared to the mic audio. I might have to do a couple of these just to check out and understand what the ratio needs to be. So yeah. This might be quick because I am not the greatest at Fortnite. I actually tried doing this yesterday as well, and I joined a duo match just to see, so I can have some party audio on here and talk to somebody and see how it came across and how the headset worked. But the person just left right before we dropped, so that was like a total waste of time. Plus, the settings weren't correct, and then the microphone audio was way too low, so a lot of trial and error here, I guess. Okay, where can I land and not get killed? There you go. Okay, so almost full shields. They are. I do have to say that the Xbox is pretty decent. So I'm running this at 4K on an LG 43-inch monitor. Now, I can only do 60 frames a second, which, I mean, I guess it's fine. I'm not like a super pro, so it doesn't really matter. And I died. Okay, well, I just wanted to do a quick game here just to see what the sound comes across as. The headset is pretty comfortable, just from a fit on my head perspective. The ear pads are pretty soft. And I do like the fact that you can tweak the volume just by rotating the right side. And then there's, on the left side, you can change the volume, or the game volume, to the chat volume. So, which is nice. So you can actually then dial down the game volume, so you can talk. So pretty cool. All right, so that's all I was gonna do. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of the sound quality coming from the microphone here. It was really comfortable to play in the game, and I really enjoyed using the headset. You know, and again, the one thing I wanted to just test in that gameplay was, what does the microphone sound like? when you're recording the audio. And I think I still need to do some tweaks, and it's just going to be kind of like everyone's going to have to deal with this as well, is balancing the game volume and the mic volume when you're trying to do streaming, right? Like when you're just playing with somebody else, you can kind of manipulate that yourself in the headset. So you should be able to hear what you want, either more of the game or more of the chat. But getting that in a streaming setup set up correctly, it just takes a little bit more trial and error, I think. So I'll still work on that as I go forward. But overall, I'm really happy with these for the price and the fact that they're super easy to pair with the Xbox. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I'll be happy to answer. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.